Look, if the company needs to lose 30 or 40 million dollars in order to make people and members happy for 2 weeks of paycheck or payouts, do you make them happy? Don't explain anything, just pay them out. Just keep them quiet, because we're just here for the short term. We're gonna be out of here anyway. Just pay them to shut them out. Pay them and lose the 30 million. Who cares? I'm reading you guys. I'm reading you the chat. I'm reading the chat. I mean, this is common sense, guys. It's not rocket science. It's just common sense. Now, if you look at the chart and you see 2011, it went down badly, corrected the hell out of it, and went up 2x. 2013, correct 50%, grew after the correction 3x. Do you remember 2017? I make the story for you. It went up to 14,000 and then went back to 7.5, 8,000, and then boom, hit 20,000. And it always happened in the year after the halving. 2012, it was the halving. 2013, explode. 2016 was the halving. And 2017, the Bitcoin explode. And then what happened in May 2020? Guess what? The halving. And what is happening in 2021? Explode to the roof at 64,000. But you know what? That's nothing. We don't even close on the all-time high on this moment. And I'm gonna close this and tell everybody that we are ensuring with patience and good management the future of the company. $8,000 million were liquidated in the option future trading. Nobody was expecting this correction at this point. And it's normal, and people will keep going forward. Now, if you have to sell, like the miners being forced to sell their Bitcoin because they need to establish in somewhere else and not in China because of the government pressure, what they do, they need to sell. They panic, they need to sell. If you must, you sell. Now, if you can hold and deal with it in the best way possible, have patience. And that's called good management, good administration. You're worried.
Just want to remind them, all of our members, why we are here one more time. I just give you these messages because I was once sitting there where you are, building network marketing a few years back, and I've been burned. I've been defeated. I feel shame to promote something, to trying to help people, and at the same time let them down because our company that we're rebuilding let us down. And it's remarkable to think about it now because I remember the frustration and how hard it was to feel down on the ground and get the strength to get up again. It was really hard, especially when you get to know your team members so well, and then you're working with them side by side, by the hand, establishing real connections and real relationships, and you know the struggle of every one of them. I remember one time my friend Rompo, that one of the things he said, that when he came down here to the Dominican Republic, he find out a room like with 100, 900, almost 1,000 people in a business that we're building. He was corporate. I was a team leader, in the field. And I remember he saying that I never see a leader who stretch the hands of the people to so many people and call them by their name and having that much a relationship with so many people. And that's what I wanted. I wanted to build that relationship. But I tell you this because I understand some of the places where you are right now, places where we feel fear, when we feel that the income that we have, that we depend on, it might go away. It would, it will be a blur on the sky. It will be something that is not real, and I will be defeated. So I understand that situation where you are right now, because this is just a bump in the road. But we know that, and the top leaders should know that